To reuse the clay, first we need dry clay, airtight container, water, tissue paper which is optional, Ziploc bag or wrapping plastic. Watch till the end for an additional tip. First we will break the clay chunks into small pieces. Then we put the chunks into an airtight container, add some water. There is no fixed quantity of water, just ensure that water filling shouldn't be too less or too more for the chunks. It just has to be sufficient. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and if you find my videos valuable. Keep the clay for 1 or 2 days, or you can even microwave the container if you do not want to wait. Start kneading the clays as shown in the video so as to remove the stickiness. I wanted to reuse both white and green clay, so I used both. Now once the testing is done, store the clay in Ziploc bag or airtight container for further use. Now the small tip. You can use a perfume spray on the clay so that it releases good smell when you are doing your craft projects. Thank you so much for watching.